Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Toshiba washing machine, its problem is cannot wash and cannot spin. When they put cloth, it's not washing properly and it's not spinning also properly. So let's see what is the problem actually. See, I put a spin mode, but it's moving very slow. It's spinning very slow. So if it is very slow when they put cloth, it's very slow. When they put cloth, it's unable to spin. So this is the problem. That's why when they put cloth, cannot wash also properly and cannot spin. So let me lay down the washing machine. Let's see what is. Let me turn off. Then lay down the washing machine. We have to see what's happening there. After lay down, neighbors, I have found the problem is belt. See, this belt is very loose, very loose. So that's why cannot spin, cannot wash. Very loose. We have to change the belt only. So dear bears, after I change the belt, and then video will be back. Dear bears, this is the belt number is 21. So after I changed the belt, machine was spin very good, and it's alhamdulillah it's working very good. So it was problem only belt. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.